Hi, and welcome to How to Store Your Generator. Proper storage and maintenance is an important part of owning power equipment. Today we will show you the 3 steps to properly store your generator when you're not using it, also known as winterizing the engine. Step 1. Drain the gasoline in the fuel tank to avoid separation and corrosion. 90% of the gasoline sold at the pump today is loaded with additives and laced with water. To drain the fuel tank, close the fuel valve. Remove the fuel valve drain cap by using a wrench to remove it from the bottom of the carburetor. Be careful not to lose the sediment filter in the cap. Place an appropriately sized fuel container under the fuel valve. Open the fuel valve and empty the tank into the container. Close the fuel valve. Replace the fuel valve drain cap securely. Step 2. Drain the carburetor to avoid damage to the carburetor float and seals. Even running the carburetor dry, turning off the gas and letting the engine stall out will not completely drain the carburetor. The carburetor has rubber, plastic, and brass parts that gasoline will eat if left in it for longer than 30 days. The carburetor is located directly behind the air filter. Loosen the carburetor drain bolt on the bowl of the carburetor. This can be done with either a Phillips head screwdriver or a 12mm wrench. Once the drain bolt is loose, place your fuel container under the carburetor and remove the bolt. The fuel remaining in the fuel line and the carburetor will drain into your container. Replace the carburetor drain bolt. Step 3. Oil the cylinder to avoid rust on the cast iron cylinder sleeve. Cast iron cylinder sleeves are used in high-quality small engines to increase engine life. The water in our gasoline can cause the cast iron to build up rust if the engine isn't used over an extended period of time. A thin coat of oil inside the cylinder will prevent any rust from forming. The spark plug is located on the top of the engine behind the overhead valve cylinder head cover. Pull the spark plug cap from the top of the plug. Remove the spark plug using the included spark plug tool or a small engine spark plug socket. Place 1 tablespoon of motor oil, the same type of motor oil you use in the engine, directly into the cylinder through the spark plug hole. Pull the recoil start slowly 1 time to distribute the oil inside the cylinder. Replace the spark plug. Replace the spark plug cap. Your generator can now be stored in a clean, dry garage or shed for up to 3 months. Run your generator with a small load for 15 to 30 minutes every 3 months and then follow these instructions again to keep your generator ready when you need it. Rugged, durable, dependable. Power when you need it.